Hello WordPress nerds. So in this video we are going to talk about success message in WP-CLI. So it is used to display success message. It's straightforward, and the function for displaying success message is this WP-CLI success, and in the bracket pass the message. But before jumping into the code, if you are new to this video, I would suggest to go to my Let's Do WP-CLI playlist and watch the videos, especially start from the season 2 episode 1 so that you know what I am doing in this video. But for the reference, let me show you what I'm gonna do right now is so this is my local site. I'll be creating custom command for this site, and I have added this custom plugin, and in that custom plugin I'll be writing code to add my custom command. So yeah, this is my local site repo. Sorry about that. And I'll go to WordPress content plugin. This is my plugin custom includes, and this is the file where I have created all other previous commands. So I'll keep using this file. So at the end of this file I have added this command, and this is my custom command, and whatever function we add, it is going to be a sub command. So I'll be adding one more command called public function BWP success. Something is wrong. FNCTI. Yeah. And here in this function I'll be doing success, and I'll add message. And now let's try to execute this command. So this is the terminal. I am on my root of my local site, so I'll run this command wp-bwp, which is this, and then this is the sub command, and as you can see it is displaying success message. So it does nothing, just add a success keyword before what you pass over here. So that's that, but this is not the real world scenario. Let's try to do something real. So for example, we do have some post types over here, so we will be checking whether the post type is available or not on this site, and if the post type is available we will display success message. So let's do that. So for that we have to pass these two arguments. Again, this is all explained in my previous videos from this playlist, so I would suggest to go and watch that. And I'll be copying this PHP documentation. For this command I will remove this unnecessary thing. We just need to pass a post type. So whatever we write over here, it depends. So WP-CLI validates everything through this comments documents. Again, I have explained everything in my previous video in this PHP doc annotation. So I think you should watch that first and then come back over here. So Yeah, we will be passing any post type over here. Post type will be accepted through this argument, and if the past post type is available, we will display success message. So let's get post type, and it will be args of 0, because we are expecting only one parameter for this command. So if you write more parameters, then the argument will be changed based on your parameter number of parameter you passed over here. So in this case, we will get the post type in the 0 position. And now let's try to first let's see if it works or not. So I'm gonna pass post type called book, and yes, we are getting what we write over here. Let's confirm another post. Yeah, so it is working fine. Now let's check the condition. If post type exists, then we will display success message. Else we will display error message. And now let's try to execute this. Let me clear this. So as you can see, post is a valid post type. Now let's try to add any random string. So it is saying that this post type is not available. So yeah, this is how you can use WP-CLI success message. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Everything you see, I'll provide all the necessary links into the description section. Thanks for watching the video, guys.